Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coded Pikachu. In this class I will tell you block level in CSS and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So now let's start the video.
So in this class I will tell you block level elements in CSS. So now first of all I will be go here, and in next class I will tell you padding and margin, and here I will be write like block level elements. Copy, go to the here, erase it, paste, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. So now how to use a block level element? Block level elements like, save, refresh. Block level elements like a font size, font family, font weight, font style. It's called the block level elements. The font family, the font size, the font weight, the font style is the it's all called the what? Block level elements. What called block level elements? Okay, so that font size I will be giving like font size 30 pixels. Is font size is also called the block level elements. Font weight 500, save, refresh, it's called block level elements. Font style italic, save, refresh, it's called block level elements. Font family is called block level. Okay, so here in this class I will be telling you a block level elements tags. Block level elements tag are 4 tag of block level elements: font weight, font style, font size, font family. What? Font weight, font size, font family, and font weight. So it's called the block level elements. Like you can give any 500. Here you can see it 50. Okay, and now you can give that. It's called the block level elements. What called block level elements? You can give any font. What will you like? Roboto, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. You can give us 800, save, refresh. So it is coming in 800. It's called block level elements. Okay. This font where is coming a font that is called the block level element? No. Why? Because here the font style only block level elements. Font weight should be block elements. Font size block level elements. Font family block level elements. The font displays not a font block level element. No, font stretch should be also not block level element. This all 4 is a block level element. Style, that and font family. It's all is a block level element. So in this class I will tell you block level elements in CSS, and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.